Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with SentinelOne, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in cybersecurity with SentinelOne, start by researching the company. Understand the core products and services offered by SentinelOne. Familiarize yourself with the cybersecurity landscape. Evaluate the demand for cybersecurity solutions in various industries. Next, create a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a reliable broker that offers access to stocks and shares. Research SentinelOne's financial performance and market position. Check recent news and trends related to SentinelOne. Analyze quarterly earnings reports to gauge financial health. Consult expert analyses and ratings on SentinelOne stock. Review historical price trends to understand past performance. Consider the overall economic environment impacting the tech sector. Monitor competition and market share within the cybersecurity space. Set investment goals based on your risk tolerance and timeline. Decide how much capital you are willing to invest in SentinelOne. Explore different investment strategies, such as buying shares outright or setting up a recurring investment. Place a market or limit order to purchase shares of SentinelOne. Keep track of your investment regularly. Stay updated on cybersecurity trends and SentinelOne's developments. Adjust your investment strategy if necessary, based on performance and market changes. Consider diversifying your portfolio to include other cybersecurity firms. Continue educating yourself on the cybersecurity industry overall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.